Hey, what's up? My name is Trenton Doling. I'm a technology advisor at AudioVisions in Palm Desert, and I've been in the technology and integration industry for 10 years now. While we do primarily high-end residential, my favorite thing about the technology industry is it intersects every market from commercial to hospitality, residential, and so on. The projects can be anything economic to extravagant and bespoke. Yeah, my take on being a good integrator is, really involving yourself early on and being an advocate for the end user's experience. Nobody else is looking out for the technology scope as much as we are, essentially. At its core, technology is really just the application of knowledge to accomplish something. You know, this can be anything from machines, software, tools. If I do something as simple as use this rock to open up a coconut, I'm employing technology. The questions I get for projects and technology, it really just depends on who is asking. If it's the homeowner, it's usually just, I just want it to work. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna be easy to use? For architects, it's, the question is the technology supporting the design or is it compromising it? Builders, they tend to really just want to know how is it being executed? How are we accomplishing it? How are we working in conjunction to, make this happen and have our systems work with the rest of the house? Interior designers are really like architects when it comes to technology. They're looking for something that allows the design to shine. So that could be technology that fades into the background and you don't notice, or for elements that really desire attention, the designers are looking for fine finishes and ways to make the technology fit in with the design rather than hiding it. I think one of the most underrated ideas in integrating home technology is not treating them as one cohesive environment, but rather separate systems. When you experience a fully integrated home, when it's got the Ketra lighting, it's got the audio, it's got the window treatments, everything really comes together and it clicks.